How to start a profitable cleaning business with $0. I know a guy who started a cleaning business with literally $0 and made $12,000 in his first month. No startup capital, no investor backing, no fancy equipment he had to buy up front. Just pure strategy. And I'm about to show you exactly how he did it. Listen, most people think you need money to make money. That's the biggest lie in business. What you actually need is leverage. And that's free. Part 1. The $0 Foundation. First things first, you need 3 things that cost nothing. 1. A phone you already have. 2. A social media account you already have. 3. The ability to clean, which you already know how to do. That's it. That's literally your entire startup. Here's what separates people who succeed from people who fail. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They start immediately. Your first move? Create a simple Instagram account. Name it something like Your City Clean Pros or Your Name's Cleaning Service. Upload maybe 5 photos. And here's the pro move. Use your phone's native camera. Professional photos don't matter at the beginning. Proof that you do good work matters. That's completely different. Next, tell everyone you know that you're starting a cleaning business. Your mom, your cousin, your coworkers, your gym buddy, everyone. This isn't shameful. This is how you get your first clients. My guy the first mentioned? He got his first 3 clients from family and friends. All free referrals. Part 2. Your pricing strategy. This is crucial. This is where you actually make money. Here's the math that most cleaning businesses get wrong. Let's say you're cleaning homes in a mid-size American city. An average residential cleaning takes 3 hours. You want to charge $75 per hour. That's $225 per job. If you do 2 jobs per day, you're making $450 daily. Working 5 days a week, you're hitting $2,250 weekly. That's roughly $9,000 monthly before expenses. But wait, you don't have expenses yet. No equipment to buy, no office rent, no employees. Why? Because you're using the client's supplies on your first jobs. Here's the script. I bring industrial grade supplies that make the cleaning faster and better. These are premium materials. So I'm building that into the service cost, but if you prefer I use your supplies, we can work that out. Most clients say yes to your supplies because they want professional results. You buy cheap bulk supplies online. Stuff like microfiber cloths, basic cleaning solutions, vacuum bags. Total investment may be $40 that covers 5 jobs. Your margins are insane. Part 3. Scaling without money. By week 3, you should have consistent bookings. Now here's the second level move that separates people making $9,000 monthly from people making $25,000 monthly. You raise your prices. Not dramatically, just 10 to 15%. Some clients will leave. You don't care. You keep the ones who stay, and the new clients who book at the higher rate think it's normal. Then you do this. You offer a referral bonus. Tell every client, if you refer someone and they book, I'll give you $50 off your next cleaning. Now your clients are your marketing team. Free marketing. They're actively selling for you because there's a financial incentive. By month 2 or 3, you're likely booked solid. That's when you hire your first employee. And here's the key. You don't hire them as an employee. You hire them as a contractor. They take home 50% of what you charge. You keep 50%. You're no longer trading time for money. You're building systems. One contractor doing one job while you do another? You just doubled your daily revenue. 2 contractors? You're at 3 jobs per day. $4,500 daily revenue. Even after paying them, you're netting significant money. Putting it into your actual wealth. Here's what most people miss. Making money means nothing if you don't invest it. Once you're clearing 5 to 8,000 monthly profit, open a Roth IRA if you haven't already. Throw 6,500 into an S&P 500 index fund. Do that every year. Don't touch it. That's your retirement secured on cleaning business money. The remaining profit? You can scale the business further. Keep it liquid for emergencies. Or diversify into other service-based businesses. But the point is, you're building wealth, not just income. # your next move. You now have everything you need to start. Not in 6 months. Not after you read another book. Today. Right now. Post on your Instagram story that you're taking cleaning clients. Text 5 people. Send 1 email. Do something. If this resonated with you, smash that subscribe button. We drop videos every single week on building business and real wealth with zero excuses. Now go make that money.